Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Halo on Backbone. Plug the Backbone into your phone and pair it via Bluetooth, then open the Halo app. Make sure your phone settings allow controller input and notifications are silenced. I will walk you through sensitivity, button mapping, and match setup so you can jump into multiplayer quickly and comfortably with low latency and clear audio. Start by tuning sensitivity and dead zones so your aiming feels natural on Backbone hardware. Next, choose button mapping that matches your muscle memory and enable aim assist if you want extra help with tracking. Confirm vibration and audio routing so teammates and game sounds are balanced. These small tweaks reduce frustration and improve consistency when playing Halo matches on mobile with your If you encounter input lag, restart the Halo app and reconnect the Backbone to re-establish a clean Bluetooth link. Keep firmware and game updates current to prevent weird bugs or mismatches. If performance still falters, try a wired power source or different USB cable to rule out power throttling. These steps usually clear common hiccups and keep your sessions smooth for ranked and casual play alike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.